latex or acrylic paints, a large styrofoam plate, low-tack painter's tape, and paper towels. First, make sure your wall is clean and dust-free. It's best to stencil over a flat paint base coat. Position your stencil on the wall where you want your design and secure it with a few pieces of low-tack blue painter's tape. Now, pour some of the paint that you've selected onto your plate. Load your foam roller by rolling it over the paint a few times. Press on the roller as you roll it over the paint so it absorbs the paint evenly. Now, blot off the excess paint on a folded paper towel by rolling it back and forth a couple of times to prevent paint seepage under the stencil.